What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your Binance from Lite to Pro. So this is basically the Pro version of Binance. So first let me just change it to Lite real quick. So this is basically what Binance Lite looks like, alright? So the before one was Pro and the current one is Lite. So let me show you guys how you guys can change it from Lite to Pro. But before I show you the way, for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And for those people who also want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a referral link in the description which they can use to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. With that said, let me show you guys how you guys can change from Lite to Pro. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move forward now, shall we? Now just keep that in mind that if you turn from like Lite to Pro, then it's basically gets difficult because in Lite there's no not much button you guys need to play around, but in Pro version there's a lot of button. So if you guys are new to Binance, I would suggest you to stick to Lite, but if you guys are familiar with Binance, then you guys can go in Pro because in Pro there's a lot of button you guys can play around with. All right, now with that said, enough of me talking, let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step, click on the profile picture looking icon at the top, and mine's showing this right now because it's currently Christmas, but after Christmas is over, it's just gonna show you a profile picture looking icon or like an avatar showing icon. All right, so just click on it and just click on this button over here, and once you click on it, it's gonna be turned from Lite to Pro just like this. That's how simple it is to turn your Binance from Lite to Pro. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.